I'm gonna pull the nose up, and we're flying.
Oh my God.
Hey, I'm Eric Webb, and today we're talking about flying first-timers. It's something a lot of pilots have been asked at some point during their flying careers, and that's, can you take me flying? And most of the time the answer is yes, but there are some considerations to make this an enjoyable experience for both you as the pilot and your passenger.
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Become an AOPA pilot today.
Something I like to do to put a passenger's mind at ease is compare flying to something they're more familiar with, such as driving. Much like a car is designed to absorb the bumps of the road, an airplane is designed to absorb the bumps in the air. It'll happen, but there's nothing to worry about. It's totally normal. Something else that's helpful is to do the pre-flight inspection with the passenger. That way they can see all the different things that you're checking and be assured that the airplane is indeed safe and in good shape to fly. During pre-flight, you'll also want to brief the passenger on doors, seat belts, emergency procedures, fires, etc. FAA requires this for every flight, so let us know in the comments below if you'd like us to do a video on that. I'll also remind the passenger that just because I'm reading a checklist doesn't mean I don't know what I'm doing. A lot of times that will put people off. I reassure the passenger and let them know this is something I'm doing to make sure I don't forget any of these steps. It's a checklist to keep everything safe and keep us safe. Even minor details like explaining the aircraft's call sign can be helpful in letting the passenger participate in the flight. Something else that's helpful is picking a good day to go fly. As seasoned pilots, some of us are thinking, oh, the wind's blowing 10, gusting 15, no problem, let's go do it. Probably not the best scenario for flying somebody for the first time. You want to pick a day that's clear, the winds are fairly calm, and there's not going to be any turbulence so that they feel more comfortable in the flight. Something else I like to do is give the passenger a heads up on any movement of the airplane and any changes in power.
All right, we're gonna make a gentle right-hand turn.
24 South Charlie, take off for departure westbound.
And here comes our right turn.
Another thing to talk about is engine noise. Let them know during takeoff the engine is going to be loud and create a lot of power so we can climb, but once we reach cruise altitude, the engine power will come back, which is totally normal and takes care of the engine. The other thing to warn them about is descent, that you will be pulling the power back to idle, that nothing is wrong, it's all part of the process. So continuing to reassure them that everything you're doing is normal and continuing to talk them through every step that you're doing along the way will help put their mind at ease.
Let's start descending again, so I'm gonna lower the power, decrease the power.
It's also pretty common for a first-time passenger to be really excited about the flight and talk nonstop through the flight. We've all experienced it. One thing to remind your passenger is that there are some times when you need to have the cockpit as quiet as possible so you can hear calls from ATC or just focus on the flight without distraction. So remind your passenger that during takeoff, anytime in the traffic pattern, and during landing, that you need to have the cockpit as quiet as possible so you can focus on flying and not miss a radio call. If necessary, use the pilot ISO switch on your radio system. Be sure to familiarize your passenger with the heating and cooling systems of the airplane in case they need to increase their comfort if they're too hot or too cold. Encourage them to bring a bottle of water or perhaps a snack in case they feel thirsty or hungry during the flight. And a good idea is to keep a couple Six Sacks on hand just in case. What are your thoughts? No fun? Miserable?
The coolest thing I've ever done.
Yeah?
The coolest.
All right.
Nothing is ever going to top this.
Unless we go again, right?
Unless we go again.
If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and then let us know in the comments what some of your first-timer flying tips are. See you next time.